And we're live. So guys, putol tayo kanina sa Aya. So now, nandito naman tayo sa Gaya. So yan, ito ang Gaya. And let's go. Pasukin natin. So this is Gaya. Okay? And this is your living room. And the dining area. The kitchen. And the toilet and bath. So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang service area na nakalock. Hindi ko ma-open. Sorry guys, ganyan talaga pag live. So, yan. Akyat muna tayo sa taas. Okay. So, one, two, the toilet and bath again. So, may dalawa tayong toilet and bath dito sa Gaya. And one bedroom. Another bedroom. And this is the master's bedroom. Okay. So, dahil master's bedroom siya, nasa kanya ang balcony. So, kanina doon tayo galing sa sa Aya Townhouse, And next na pupuntahan natin isang Talia. So, now we're here at Gaya. So, ayan. Ito guys, may balcony. Oops, sasaran tayo. Yan. So, yung master's bedroom may balcony. And ito yung solar niya. See naman guys.